Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick update on the Griot's Garage ceramic 3-in-1 wax that I used on my vehicle. So as you know, I did an extensive process and finally did a ceramic coating on my car. And you might be sitting there going, well, that's a crazy amount of time to get your car prepped to put ceramic wax on it. But again, you got to remember the ceramic bonds with the paint. And so you want to make sure that there's nothing in between the ceramic and the paint, so you're not locking in dust, dirt, grime, things like that. And again, people might think, oh, I'm the guy that goes and washes his car every weekend. I'm not actually. I do the work once, so I don't have to do it again the rest of the year. And so right now it's been 5 weeks since I did the ceramic coating originally, and the car has been pretty much 50% in the garage, 50% outside the garage, just because I'm working on other cars and stuff like that, and I don't, I can't have this vehicle taking up all my space in the garage. So that being said, it's been majorly dusty, lots of stuff on it. And what was really interesting is about a week ago, I was driving somewhere and someone splashed through a puddle of water, and the water, kind of just splattered onto the car. And I noticed that those areas became super clean because the water just cleaned the dust off because that ceramic just let it flow off. Where with normal waxes and stuff like that, you'd see a splatter and it would dry, and then it would just be, dust and dirt and grime stuck on your car again. So I decided today that I'm going to wash the car, and I'm going to give you some updates and show you, what it looks like. Now, I'm not washing the car with any kind of soap that has wax or anything like that in it. It's just a wash. So I'm just rinsing, washing, and you'll see the results 5 weeks later. So here's the original ceramic wax that I used 5 weeks ago, and this is the new car wash that I started using today for the first time. And doesn't have any wax or anything like that. It's great for foaming cannons, stuff like that. And I'm actually testing out a hose version of a foaming cannon. And, I'll do a review on that later when I finally get a good formula to see how well it foams. But so far, so good. Let's check it out. So if you remember from the first video, I was pretty shocked of how well the hydrophobic properties were, how much the water was beating up off the vehicle, and today looks no different than last time. This is pretty amazing. I'm pretty shocked how well it looks, and I'm expecting it to look like this for a good 6, maybe even 7 months. But here we are 5 weeks in. A lot of dust was on this car. It was like I said, outside for half of the 5 weeks, and this is just looking amazing. So just so you know exactly what I'm doing, I rinsed, I'm washing the car with a microfiber mitt, and then I'm rinsing the car again, and then I have 2 large microfiber towels, just because this is a super huge vehicle, just to get all the water off and clean it off. And you can just see that this car is just in pristine condition. And even the windows and mirrors and everything, not only does it have the beading qualities, but all I did is take a microfiber and wipe it down, and you don't see, and I didn't even perfectly wipe it down. I got it mostly dry, and you don't see any water beads or anything on the side of the car. So it's just really, really easy once you do a ceramic to wash your car, watch the dirt just run off really quickly afterwards. And, you know, originally I said I didn't do my wheels on the first video. I still haven't done my wheels because I'm waiting until I can ceramic coat those, and I just haven't had time. So that's my quick little update. I'll give updates as we go with the ceramic wax and any other kind of car washing things that I do. And in the future, I'll do a review on my foaming cannon that's made for a hose and not a spray washer. And we'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching.